Hi guys, this is Mehdi here, and in this video of day three of the 100 days of no code challenge, we are going to build a form with no code and AI. Okay, so stay tuned for this one, and let's just get started. I'm gonna open up my. So for this, we are going to use a tool that's involve. So let's just go inside and start using that. Involve.me is the application we are going to work on. Okay, so now we, as you know, that first of all, we, for each and every tool that we use, we have to go and get just signed up for that. So I'm just going to use my Google account for that. I'm going to sign it up for you. Okay, so that's just a very basic one. Just sign up and then continue, and then I just want to, okay, let's just go with this one. Just do anything, it's fine. Next, start from scratch. Okay. Okay, as you can see that this is what I came into. Okay, but even if you don't see this screen, you can always click on a new project inside of your workspace, and then just type the name of the project. So let's say we want this project to be 100 days. Let's do it in a different way. Okay, just give me a moment. Let's refresh this. Here we go. Now click on new project and then click on create with AI. This is where everything I was explaining you. Okay, let's just go with the form and then type it. You can have your own domain, but for the sake of this particular tutorial, I'm going to use the one that is in the 100 days of no code.com. Okay, and then we need to describe the details in here. Okay, so there's few details already written, so I'm gonna copy and paste that. I'm not gonna invest much time on that because it's just straightforward. Okay, so just written this, you can take a screenshot of it and then simply go ahead with this one. Okay, and now click on generate. Just, it will take a bit of time, not that much to create that. See, we are going to use a conditional page in here. Amazing, this looks good. So we go with the use for free at the moment, so it takes the entire layout of your website. If you go to 100 days of no code, so just grab the details from there. Okay, so now we are using it for free. Let's go with the answer based outcome. Okay, because there is some conditional logic used here for one of the questions, so you will get to know about that later on, but just go ahead with this one. Okay, so 100 days of no code feedback form. Okay, let's just go with this. Let's start editing. We can ignore this part. We can customize the layout whatever we want to. So when you click on this one, you will be able to see, you can change the value, the design of this one. Okay, you can change the color, everything. You have bunch of option in here. If you want, you can change the layout. You can have your own um, images in here, text you can change. So for the sake of this particular option, I'm not gonna make any changes here. Okay, so just let it be. I just click on this one. We have this element of yes or no. Okay, so before we, you can add a divider line as well here. Let's say divider. Okay, So let's say, just you can type anything you want, okay, and based on the yes or no answer, it will go to the next page, right? So like it says like answer continues to the next page. Okay, let's just come back to it now, and we are on the very first page of this. We can, that we can customize the layout of this one. We can customize the text every time you want. Okay, so after these three elements, we have a divider here, and we what we have done basically is we have used a yes no condition, okay, and we typed in, are you a student that's currently enrolled in the course or not, okay, and based on that interaction, and so we scroll a bit down and you will be able to see the click behavior, and then click on logic jump answer linked to a specific page. So based on what, whether they do yes or no, it will move them to the next page. Okay, yes will move them to outcome 1, which is right here, and if they say no, it move them to outcome 2, which is right here. Okay, and that's like how it is going to work. So you just need to do as it is, and then let's go back to outcome number 2 first, okay, which is for the no. So like you can customize it. So I have just named it to, this form is for students currently enrolled in the 100 days of no code challenge. You can name it anything, and then just type it something like, if you are not enrolled in this challenge, please submit your feedback here. Okay, and let's come back to outcome number 1. This is like, okay, just thank you to those who have given the feedback. Okay, so now let's come back to the very second page of this question. Just look at these questions. If you think it's a good one, well and good. If not, then you can just simply click on next, or you can just simply ignore or delete this complete. If you want to delete the complete page, click on the X on this layout here, or just you can delete any element of this. Okay, so let's just go with this one. Let's say the click behavior will answer continues to the next page. If it says like, okay, yes, okay, let's say specific page, when they say yes, it will take them to the question number 2. If they say no, then also it will take them to the next page, because we want to see like how it goes. Okay, or even we can just simply leave it as next page. Whatever their answer is, they will go move to the next page of it. Simply they can move to the next page. Then we have these options in here. So whatever they choose, they will be mapped to the other one. I'm not going to map it here. I'm going to leave it as it is. You can explore your options. It's totally optional if you want to. If not, then it's fine. It's like continues to the next page. Then six one again till move to the next page. Then we have, I'm just gonna ignore this one, delete this one. Again, let it be. Let's just, we are almost done. We can simply just look into that again if you want to, else that's totally fine. We can publish it. Just click on publish. Okay. Say page 2, 4, and 5. Let's just fix this. Let's just publish it. Okay, we don't, I don't want to play more with this one. Let's just publish anyway. Okay, maybe it's a paid feature, that's why it's not allowing me to go ahead with that one. You can play around with the options. For the sake of this challenge, I'm just revealing you like how you can play with this one based on yes or no. This is completely optional. If you wish to go ahead with this one, you can go ahead. If not, then you can always change your, like your stuff. Start the survey. Are you currently enrolled? Yes. 100 days of no code challenge, have you completed? No. I mean, it's a lovely one. The B-side lessons are perfect. Obviously, I would recommend them. Make automations. Okay, just type in your name. Let's say mi at no code. I can type my name in here, subscribe to this letter, and click on next. Agree. So thank you. That's it. We made it. See, we are on the basic version, so we cannot make like more than 10 subscriptions or 10 or what did you say? Like 10 submissions, okay? But like we have some problem in here, so definitely I'm gonna resolve this one. So outcome number one, if it is a yes, outcome number two, if it is a no. Let's go to the second one. That's totally fine. If we try to publish it now, it will say 4 or 5. Let's go with the fourth page. Anything will move to outcome number one. Everyone will move to the outcome number one. The fifth one, say, let's go with this one. Outcome number one, if it is a no, outcome number two. Let's just publish now. Okay, now you will see we have these options in here. Definitely don't want to go. Just publish this one. Publish the test version. See, I mean, there are some limitations. So just go ahead with this one, and then like you will get your link. Start the survey. Yes. Yes. I'm just going ahead with anything. Yes. It's a test. abc@d.com. So I'm just making a test. Next it. Okay. Gmail. Good one. Now we are done with this part. If you go back, You can see the responses in here. Yeah, great. You see that we have the response. I mean, that's really great. That looks stunning, right? So that is it, guys. You can always make changes, or you can work on it on your side, your way. Thank you so much for your time.